over the last few months. I have Martin with the last one referencing this exact video. So this is from TP Movie Channel. We'll be looking at just a few clips of this. If you want to watch the whole thing, it'll be linked down below, and of course browse their channel. So naturally I'm pretty stoked to see this. Let's just jump right in. Here we go. Holy crap, man. It's an Iveco. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna like this. You know I love the Euro trucks. Euro trucks on steroids, right here. My God.